A very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Uttam Dave. I am a clinical sexologist, sex coach, and a sex researcher, and I welcome all of you to Sex Problems and Solutions. One of the biggest problems which men in their 20s face when they are with their girls is the problem of erectile dysfunction. Now, erectile dysfunction is generally a very common problem amongst men, especially amongst older men. But these days, I have seen that even younger men in their 20s are experiencing this problem of erectile dysfunction. And I can understand that as a man, it's difficult for you to talk about your problems of erection difficulties with your other male friends because, first of all, they will not understand. Secondly, it will also expose you to the fact that you are having sexual relationships before marriage. And thirdly, you feel very embarrassed to talk about such a personal problem. I'm not here to deny any of these thinking pattern of yours or your feeling pattern of yours. But what I want to address is if you are having an erection problem, it is very important that you seek the help of a clinical sexologist. Don't just go down to your nearby chemist and ask for a pill that will make your penis hard. You can perform sex and you are done with. That is basically like doing some kind of patchwork. So, for example, if you're out and hungry, you just take some fast food and your hunger will be satisfied for some time. But then, is it adding to your health? No, it's not adding to your health. In fact, it is something which is causing harm to your health in the long run, which we don't realize because we don't even are aware of the fact of what we are doing. We are just looking at a particular symptom and trying to remove that symptom from our lives. So, if you're somebody who's looking out for a permanent solution to your erectile dysfunction problem, this is a video for you and you must continue watching it. Basically, erectile dysfunction has two causes, physical and emotional. I've already spoken about emotional causes in my last video. In this video, I'm going to talk about physical problems that can cause erectile dysfunction. As a common man, you will not be able to know whether you have physical problems which are causing sexual problems in your life. So I would say that if you're having erection difficulties, rather than trying to guess what may be the reason or trying to look up the net, it is always a good idea to look up the net, but it's always an expert of the medical field who will help you to assess the right reasons of what is causing the sexual problem in the first place, because sometimes there can be a combination of physical and emotional reasons, and there could be also many other reasons leading to your sexual problem which you as a layman will not be able to understand. So I would say that if you are experiencing erectile dysfunction, do seek the help of a clinical sexologist who will assess the right reason for your problem and suggest you remedies which may include some form of medication. I always give some form of medication related to Ayurveda or homeopathy, or you would commonly associate with Ayush. That is things like Ayurveda, yoga, homeopathy, Siddha medicine, etc. So if you're having this problem of erectile dysfunction, you can contact me on any day between Mondays to Saturdays evenings 4 to 9 p.m. and my contact number for appointment is 9920655464. And I can assure you that after you pay a visit to me and follow all my instructions and guidelines, you will not have to feel embarrassed ever to face this problem or have this problem, because there are so many men in our own country who have these problems but are secretly not going to a doctor out of shame or embarrassment. But there is absolutely no need to feel ashamed or uh, embarrassed to seek medical help for such a problem which is so widespread and common. So hope to see you at my clinic soon. Thank you.